Gonzaga to be asked by Judge number 5,
Lapit ka.
Mr. Lloyd Flores.
Magandang umaga sa'yo, number 13.
Hello po, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay. Bilang isang mamamayan ng bansang ito na kinalalagyan ng isang napaka-impluensyang relihiyon na isa, ano ang pananaw mo sa issue na kinaharap ng Iglesia ni Cristo?
You know what, sir, that is a very tough question, honestly, to answer because I really don't want to step on the rights of the members of the Iglesia ni Cristo. But if you are going to ask me, what is my opinion to the allegations to the members, or especially to the whole church of Iglesia ni Cristo, my dear friends, I would just like to tell you that, I would just like to tell each and every one of you, what is the allegations to Iglesia ni Cristo first. They are being allegated with corruption within their church because of the numerous numbers of collections that they take from their members. Then they build numerous churches, including the Philippine Arena. They are actually being allegated of using those money. What is my stand on that? You know what, sir? I would like to be honest. I am not the right person to judge that kind of religion.
True.
Why? There is still no investigation yet. So who are we to judge, my dear friends? It is always remembered that there is a certain law that even religion cannot undertake, and that is our Philippine Constitution. If we are actually going to follow those procedures, follow the evidences, and make sure that there will be no one who will be undertaking that law, then definitely that is the better thing that we need to believe in. Who am I to judge, my dear friend? I am not a judge. I am not even a part of the Philippine Constitution, to be exact. I'm not even a lawyer. But what is my stand on that? If we are going to believe into what is right, even if your religion, whatever your religion you have, then definitely the law of the Philippines, the law of God will always be the right thing to follow.
Very well said. Number 13, Tony Gonzaga.
Miriam,